It's on safety and my finger's off the trigger.
Alright, that's good.
Now it's not on safety and my
Ready!
Don't actually shoot it though, because I'm going to go down when I get it.
Wait, took the magazine out.
Alright. Okay, cool. Alright.
Hey, look.
And he tapped quicker than his draw. This is going to be great.
Damn quick.
Are we counting now?
He's going to...
No, you don't count. It's a quick draw.
Gonna count
You
us
don't
off.
count.
Okay.
You don't
3,
count. You don't count.
2, 1, draw.
It's a tie.
You got the slow-mo?
I think this was
Yourself out. I want you to be very careful on the stairs when you're walking up. Don't shoot anyone going up or down the stairs, guys. If you have to, call them on surrender, and that's it, okay? But don't be shooting them, okay, while they're coming down the stairs or up the stairs, because they can slip. Those things have a good, like, foot in between each one of them. Use the railings if you can. If you can, at most times, make sure you're doing that. If not, just make sure you're not shooting anyone there. Understand? Everyone got that?
Yep.
Another thing is watch your step everywhere else, because there's a lot of paint on the containers. You can slip if you're running too fast on there. Guys, just make sure you're taking the flying corners and calling surrender when you have to, okay? Too close, shoot below the chest and the shoulder blades in the back. Guys, got it? All right, let's have fun. Use everything as cover and cover only, and I'll have my bands team start here. My no bands will start the other side of these containers. Only.
And Jonah, don't get caught behind a barrel.
Just no bands.
Hey, no bands go
No,
that
no, no,
way.
keep your bands on.
Oh,
No bands is his band's team.
Oh, never mind, Kenton. We don't get to be machine gun team.
No, we're hoping for Jonah to start on our team.
You want to go on the team?
Yeah. Me and
Alright, we want to do machine gun.
Who wants my band?
Ow! You cunt!
Good shot, though. Good shot. Guys, we'll settle this on the field afterwards. Stop. We gotta get this game started. We'll do a one-on-one with you guys.
Oh, shit, that'd be great.
Oh man.
Do that.
Yeah, I'll put a GoPro on you.
Yeah, dude, let's go to that CQP map right over there. Do you want there?
Perfect.
Shit, that'd be amazing.
Yeah, it's sucking.
Hey Kenton, I'll give you the GoPro.
Deacon! I'll tell him right now, guys.
Yo, Kenton. Will say something.
I'll give you the GoPro.
All right, that sounds good.
Right, so there's 4 of us. Wait, then we're outnumbered now.
Wait, is this on?
Yeah, it's
number?
4.
Deacon. Yo, retard. Fine, fuck you.
Wait, can you scream at him over the thing?
He won't answer because it's not on. Deacon.
Shouldn't they have traded like one person
I
for
tried to
Jonah?
shoot him in the back, but I didn't.
Shouldn't they have traded like one person for Jonah?
They did me.
Yeah.
Oh, but you were already on our team.
I was on their team, and now I am not on their team.
What? No.
Alright, so quick thing. First thing you want to do is get in the 2-story buildings.
Oh my god.
Yes, I am his tripod.
I'm Will's tripod.
Guys, look at fire. We're gonna switch fields. We have a bigger group coming on this one first. We'll come back to this one, guys. All right. You want a bigger group on a smaller field. You want a
We
small
must
group on a
move
big
like that in formation.
Go to Bosnia, guys. Go to Bosnia. Back with the fire on the team. My airsoft group, bring it this way, please. Deacon! Alright, bands versus no bands, keep your mask on like last game. Bands for this map are the weed hills right here, tons this side. Don't go past the weeds. Towards that end, down the bottom of the hill, okay guys? Towards the back end, don't pass the water tower that's red stained, okay guys? And right here, in front of this helicopter with the black lighting, got it? Everyone understand the boundaries? Yep. Alright, use everything as cover and cover only, guys. Don't jump on top of the helicopters. Don't go inside them, guys. Don't be jumping through windows, guys. Okay, understood that?
Wait, we can't go inside.
You can't go inside.
Damn it.
Stay off the helicopters, guys. Don't climb on them either. I want you to be safe, guys. Same with the hills right here and the foxtrots. The kennel right here, chicken coop, that is off limits. Inside the crate, inside that truck right there is off limits. All the helicopters are off limits.
You want to grab a room?
Got that?
Yeah.
All right, good. So we're gonna get started, guys. 2 lives. Be honest with each other, okay, guys? Don't be going like 3 or 4 times. I'll count you out. Okay, guys? One team will start here. One to make the walk.
We'll make the walk.
Oh, yeah. You guys want me to look?
I'm on your team.
You offered. Go.
Okay.
Go. Go ahead. Sorry about that.
3, 4.
Yeah, I am. Because I'm with Tate.
Okay, 4v4. Nice.
I just took off my band.
Okay.
I don't really care.
You can go fuck yourself.
Are you on our channel?
I think so.
Hey,
You're on channel 4?
Yeah.
Fuck you, gay bag.
Hello?
Your mom's a hoe. Oh, dude, this is gonna be so fun. Messing with you guys now.
Do it more, do it more.
If you guys really want to, go to channel 22 on your things. It's so funny.
Oh.
It's a police security system that goes around here, and they just talk a bunch of shit on all each other.
Really?
It's the funniest thing ever.
Wait, can you spray my fuck you, or are you gonna get ready?
Fuck you, I'm gonna double tap you in the dick.
Alright, I expect you to not shoot me because I have this on.
Oh, you need to tell them that.
Wow, really? You don't have a dick? Wow.
God, it's even harder than before.
Yeah. I can already see the sweat forming.
Side of my dumb shit.
Yeah.
Well, that's I guess this is how war is. Doesn't matter.
Alright, Liam and
No, that's gay.
Liam and Kenton and me and Will.
Both sides ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Alrighty, alright, go. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Right side.
Alright. Left side. Okay, definitely left side. Let's go. Nice. That's Jonah. Ref! My gun won't fire!
Take it on safety, check your slip, make sure you still have ammo in it.
My gun won't fire.
Check it real quick. Hold on the mag on the bottom part. Check that it's still loaded. Click it off. Now it's loading now. Go ahead and roll up more. Go ahead and take like a couple shots. Battery's gonna be dead on that one. Holy crap. You don't hear the revolving on it. You don't hear every time. You have to go back up to rentals real quick to go grab a new one.
Alright.
You gotta get back there.
No.
Come out.